Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best doubt solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic the International System of Units. So the International System of Units, represented as SI, is a universally used standard for multiple measurement. So SI is a universally used standard for multiple measurement. Standard for multiple measurements. Hence, all these units play a crucial role in multiple scientific and development research globally. So, there are 7 base units. So, there are 7 base units. 7 base units that can define 22 derived units. That can define 22 derived units. So the base units are mutually independent while the derived units are combination of bases. So the base units or the fundamental units, the base or fundamental units are mutually independent. Mutually independent while the derived units are combination of the base units. While the derived units are combination of base units. Are combination of base units. So all these units can be represented in fractional quantities or as standard multiples. The prefix multipliers range in the power of 10 from 10 raised to power to minus 24 to plus 24. So if we talk about the top SI units, then it is, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. So first is our length. Then we have mass, then we have time, electric current, then we have temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Now, if we talk about the SI units, here we are going to talk about the SI units. So, the SI unit of length is meter. This is meter. Then the SI unit, this is represented by M. Mass is kilogram. Mass is kilogram represented by kg. Then we have time, it is second represented by small s. Then we have ampere. Electrical current SI unit is ampere represented as A. Then temperature we have Kelvin represented by K. Then we have amount of substance mole represented by MOL. And then we have luminous intensity. SI unit is candela represented by CD. So this is all about the International System of Units. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.